Yo, what's good, everyone? Picture this, a car so revolutionary it's got the entire auto industry shaking in its boots. A Tesla that's not just wallet-friendly but loaded with tech so futuristic it feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi flick. And guess what? It's real, and it's here. I'm Elon Musk, and welcome to Auto Intel, where we're breaking down the 2025 Tesla Model 2. It's no longer just whispers, it's official, and it's about to flip the car world upside down. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, a top-tier Tesla for under $25,000, packed with tech that leaves BYD, Honda, Ford, GM, Toyota, and even Volkswagen eating dust. I've said it before, the desire for a Tesla is sky-high, the only thing holding people back is the price tag. Now, that barrier's gone. How's Tesla pulling off this wild mix of next-level tech, insane production, and family-focused features at a price that seems impossible? If you're hyped that the EV revolution's finally kicking off, smash that subscribe button to join our Auto Intel crew. We're aiming for 1,000 subscribers, so let's make it happen, and tap the bell so you don't miss the biggest EV shift of the decade. Let's jump in. First up, how's Tesla stuffing premium EV tech into the Model 2 at a price that's got competitors totally baffled? Their battery tech is straight up otherworldly. The Model 2's battery delivers a jaw-dropping 300 Wh per kilogram energy density, something Volkswagen won't hit until 2030, GM's stuck waiting for 2029, and Toyota's not even dreaming of until 2031. This isn't just a little better, it's a complete game-changer. Tesla's unique battery chemistry slashes rare earth metals by 73% while pumping up energy density by 28%. Their silicon graphene composite structure holds 40% more lithium than the old-school graphite anodes competitors are still using. Add in their tabless cell design, which cuts electrical paths by 97%, and cell-to-pack integration that ditches 93% of the parts you'd find in rival EVs, and you're looking at tech that's about 5.7 years ahead of the closest competitor. Here's the tough pill for other carmakers: their supplier deals lock them into outdated designs until 2027 or 2029, while Tesla's tweaking and improving every 6 to 9 months. When's the last time you could grab tech half a decade ahead for 35% cheaper than the average option? But it's not just about batteries. The Model 2's silicon brain, driving autopilot and full self-driving, is an AI powerhouse. That $12,000 FSD package? It comes standard on every Model 2. It's powered by Tesla's custom-built 5-nanometer neural processing unit, not some generic chip. Tesla's AI is trained on 5 billion miles of real-world driving data. Competitors are crawling with 50 to 200 million miles, and it churns through 75 trillion operations per second. That's 2.3 times more powerful than the current FSD computer and 4.7 times stronger than anything rivals have got. Tesla handles everything in-house. Chip design, firmware, software, and AI training, while big players like GM are still leaning on third parties like Nvidia or Qualcomm. That's why Tesla EVs have a crash rate 5.8 times lower than the average car when autopilot's on, handling 97% of driving situations on its own. By the time competitors catch up to today's Model 2 software, your Tesla will have snagged over 70 free updates. Rivals would need 18 to 22 billion bucks and 7 to 9 years to build what Tesla's already got. The Model 2 also ditches Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Tesla OS 2.0 gives you a slick, all-in-one interface where voice commands control everything from doors to defrost. While Hyundai drops updates twice a year and Toyota maybe once, Tesla's pushing over-the-air updates every single week. Imagine a car that gets smarter while you're snoozing, with no need for dealer visits to fix recalls. So, how's Tesla doing all this for under $25,000? Their unboxed assembly process cuts the robot count by 50%. The 50,000-ton Gigapress die-casts an entire underbody in seconds. They pull battery materials from their own mines, code their own software, and sell directly online, skipping those pricey dealership markups. For families, seniors, or folks on a budget, this is massive, premium EV tech at the price of a basic car. A senior in Las Vegas doesn't have to stress about battery failure. A young couple in New York can snag their first EV without dealer drama. Veterans and single parents get safety features that used to be locked behind luxury price tags. The Model 2's running costs are the lowest ever at under 2 cents per mile, with a platform built to stay competitive through 2035 and a projected 67% resale value after 3 years, compared to the industry's 51%. This is what redefining value looks like. What do you think? A car under $25,000 that's smarter than a $60,000 luxury ride? Drop "game-changing" in the comments if you think this is the auto industry's biggest turning point. And yo, if you're digging this breakdown, hit that subscribe button to join Auto Intel. We're chasing 1,000 subscribers, and we need you to get there. But all this tech's just a dream if you can't make it at scale. So, how's Tesla turning the Model 2 into a global supply chain destroyer? Let's dive in. Now, let's get into how the Model 2's production and distribution are making legacy carmakers sweat buckets. Tesla's basically tearing apart their entire business model. Traditional automakers are stuck in a rough spot. Dealerships slap on 12 to 18% markups, pension costs add $780 to $1,200 per car, gas-powered engines need 5 times more assembly hours, and their supply chains are tangled with thousands of third-party suppliers, each taking 24 to 30% profit margins. Analysts are saying 15 to 20% of the traditional auto supply chain could go belly up by 2027 as Model 2 production scales up. What happens when a century-old industry realizes its whole game plan's been trashed overnight? We're seeing it play out right now. Tesla's distribution is a straight-up game-changer. Their direct-to-consumer model skips dealerships entirely, saving buyers an average of $3,700 per car. Buying a Tesla takes 8 minutes online, no more 3.2-hour dealership nightmares. Fixed pricing means no haggling stress, and home deliveries available in 82% of U.S. markets. Their service setup is just as smooth, 87% of issues get fixed with over-the-air updates, no service center needed. When you do need a visit, Tesla's mobile fleet, growing to 3,000 vehicles, and service centers run 31% more efficiently than dealers, with wait times of just 1.8 days compared to the industry's painful 12.3-day average. Tesla's customer satisfaction is at 97%, while legacy dealers are stuck at a sad 61%. This isn't just about saving cash, it's giving you back the 62 hours Americans waste at dealerships over a lifetime. Where Tesla really crushes it is production scale. They're kicking off with 1.2 million Model 2 units a year, targeting 2.5 million by 2027 across 4 gigafactories, Texas, Berlin, Shanghai, and Mexico, running 72 production lines 24/7. Automation's at 92%, way above the industry's 43 to 56%, with 219 robots per line and AI cutting production bottlenecks by 37%. Battery production volume drops cell costs by 17% every year, shared parts with Model 3 and Y give 31% commonality, and Tesla's buying power locks in 28% discounts on critical minerals. Their vertical integration is the real killer. 78% of Model 2 components are made in-house, compared to 35 to 42% for traditional carmakers. All software's developed internally, cutting licensing fees. By the time Ford or GM retool one factory to match Tesla's EV game, Tesla will have pumped out over 3 million Model 2s. The race is already over. Would you trade 3 hours at a dealership for an 8-minute Tesla order? Drop Model 2 now in the comments if that sounds like freedom. And while we're at it, smash that subscribe button to join Auto Intel. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers together. But beyond factories and delivery, what makes the Model 2 hit home? It's how it fits into your family's life. Let's break it down. What makes the Model 2 the ultimate family EV is how it redefines safe, roomy, and smart for real people. I've said it before, the issue isn't people wanting a Tesla, it's affording one. The Model 2 fixes that without skimping on anything. Safety's on another level. The structural battery pack makes the chassis so tough it handles crash energy better than cars twice its size or price. Early crash tests show 37% less force hitting passengers during impacts. Kids are covered too, with interior cameras that ping you if a child or pet's left behind and rear seat anchors that make car seat setup a breeze. Toss in active safety features like automatic emergency braking, 360 degrees pedestrian awareness, and lane assist that actually works, and you've got a car built to dodge crashes entirely. Tesla vehicles crash 5.8 times less per mile with Autopilot, giving parents real peace of mind. But a safe car's got to work for everyday life. The Model 2's 15% smaller than a Model 3 on the outside but somehow packs nearly the same interior space, with more usable room than a lot of mid-size SUVs. The flat battery platform skips the transmission tunnel, so kids can move around easily, and parents get 18% more usable space. The rear trunk's 41% bigger than average compacts, the front trunk's larger than most sedans' main trunks, and you get 62 cubic feet of cargo with the seats down. Groceries, strollers, soccer gear. All good. Accessibility's huge too, it fits standard wheelchairs and the 2025 Tesla wheelchairs with a docking system. An access mode drops the rear suspension by 1.7 inches for easier loading, and an optional ramp stores under the cargo floor. This is the first EV designed from the ground up for wheelchair users without expensive add-ons. Families will love the practical stuff: spill-resistant interiors, a HEPA filter that blocks 99.97% of airborne particles, UV filtering glass that keeps the cabin 12 degrees Fahrenheit cooler, and acoustic glass for a 37% quieter ride. Unlike compact cars that make you pick between passengers or cargo, the Model 2 gives you both, plus a front trunk you don't get in gas cars. It's like a car one size bigger inside, a total packaging win that makes it the go-to family EV. I'm breaking down the walls keeping everyday folks from owning a Tesla. This is the dawn of an era where tech, affordability, and family needs come together in one electric ride. Would you grab a Model 2 as your next car or trust it to haul your family? Drop your thoughts in the comments, we read every single one. Why should you care? The Model 2 isn't just a car, it's a complete rethink of value, safety, and accessibility. It's premium tech at a price anyone can handle, built to scale, and designed for real families. If you're as stoked as we are, subscribe to Auto Intel and help us hit 1,000 subscribers. Tap that bell, share this video, and join us next time as we keep diving into the future of cars. Thanks for hanging out, see you in the comments.